Good evening, everyone. The past couple of days, we've really had these clouds sticking around with us here in west central Texas. Reason why, have those winds in the upper part of the atmosphere to our west, blowing all that moisture in from the Pacific Ocean, seeing a little bit of green on radar. That's something called virga. That's what happens when you have rain in the cloud, falls down, goes through a dry area, and evaporates before coming to the surface. So if you're in places like Sutton County and Kimball County, don't be surprised if you maybe feel a drop of rain on your head or two, but nothing significant. Better rain chances for the weekend, actually shaping up to have some pretty active weather. So let's break it down. That cold front going to be stationary in the big country for most of the day Saturday. To the south of that cold front, going to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday morning. Those line of showers and thunderstorms going to move off to the east. Might see some redevelopment in the afternoon, about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. Some of those thunderstorms, if they develop, could have large wind and hail, could be on the strong and severe side. But looks like that main threat going to hold off till about 10 o'clock or midnight Sunday. You can see 11 o'clock starting to see some of those storms develop. Some of these storms could have large hail, wind, and potentially an isolated tornado. Will transition from more of a large hail threat to more of a damaging wind threat as those storms kind of congeal into a line. Typically, lines of storms, the main threat is the damaging wind and potentially a brief isolated tornado whenever you have those very strong winds on the edge of the line. 3 a.m., pretty much all of our viewing area seeing some thunderstorms at that time. Those lines going to quickly move off to Dallas just in time to go to church Sunday morning. Definitely going to want to stay weather aware Saturday night into Sunday morning. Storm Prediction Center has us highlighted for a 1 out of 5 marginal risk. Again, biggest threat looks to be that large hail, then damaging wind, and can't rule out a brief isolated tornado. Remember, safest place to go during a tornado is in the lowest part of your house, centermost room, something like a bathroom or a closet. And the most important part is away from windows. So remember, you can stay here at Fox West Texas. We'll give you all the information you need in order to keep you and your family safe. Today, not dealing with any severe weather across the area. Highs in the 60s, a little bit warmer than average. Stepping outside right now for any Friday evening plans you might have, for any of those pre-Valentine's Day plans, sitting in the 50s right now. So a little bit on the cool side, but still above average for this time of year. San Angelo going to be very warm for your Saturday. Further off to the north in the Key City and Abilene, and honestly, the whole big country where that cold front kind of situates itself, going to be a lot chillier, or not a lot chillier. You'll have highs in the 60s for your Saturday. And then Sunday morning looks like our best rain shot, and then we'll have very cool temperatures behind it. And let's talk about the possibility of some wintry weather. Sunday morning, seeing that cold front make its way through Sunday at 9 a.m. right in the city of Abilene. By a little after lunch, or really more like mid-afternoon, going to be in the city of San Angelo. And behind it, you'll notice this version of Timecast is bringing some wintry precipitation, potentially a few pellets of sleet, or maybe a couple snow flurries. Looks like the risk for that going to be from San Angelo to the north. It does look like most of that more substantial threat going to be off toward Lubbock and the Texas Panhandle. So it looks like we're not going to see a whole lot of impacts from this. You might see a little bit in the northern part of our viewing area, but for the most part, I don't think we're going to see any risk because, Bert, you take a look at those high temperatures and we're just going to be a little too warm. Be sure to stay weather aware this weekend. For the latest weather updates, you can check out our website and follow me, meteorologist Britton Musall, on social media. Bert?